Hey everyone, welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. My name is Megan, and today we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi Weeks for the week of March 9th through the 15th using a sticker kit from BlessUrHeartStickers. You guys see that I finally changed my little planner charm thing. I actually have the old one sitting right up here. This is what the old one looks like. It is all dangly, and I love the dangles and everything, but I wanted to have a seasonal situation going on here. So we have this. This is actually from one of my friends on Instagram, and she's here on YouTube. Her name is LanaTanaCharms, and I will leave her information in the description box, but this is a cute little charm that I got, and I think it is absolutely adorable, and I want to see it all the time, so I keep it displayed on my planner for the month of March. But this is the kit we are using. This is Modern Flower. This is from BlessUrHeartStickers. I love her collections. You guys have not seen my haul at the time of this video going up, but it should be up literally tomorrow or the next day. So this is the cute little kit that we have going on here. This is from, like I said, from BlessUrHeartStickers, and I will leave her information in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get started. So BlessUrHeartStickers has updated her kits, so you have lots more to play around with and use at your disposal, which I enjoy quite immensely. Missy has a YouTube channel here, so definitely check out her channel if you are interested in seeing how she sets up her planners, how she does, like how she uses these in her own way. And she also does releases, like sneak peeks of stuff as well, so that you can see some of her new stuff. So I love Missy. She is so funny and so hilarious. Every time I watch her videos, I find myself cackling at something that she says. Like, she's just hilarious, and I definitely recommend you guys go check her out because she is a sweetheart. She's had a lot going on in her life, and we all really appreciate everything that she does for her shop and just for her customers. She always includes a lot of really awesome freebies in your order. So not only will you get my freebie if you use my code or you ask for my freebie during a sale, she'll also most likely include a ton of other really awesome freebies as well, which I really like. It shows that she is super appreciative of you shopping in her Etsy, and that you see what she does and that you appreciate it as well. So definitely check her out. I also highly recommend using different PR members codes because we have a lot of fun freebies for the winter time. Gail, who is at The Planning Girl, she is my friend here on YouTube as well. She has a PR code for BlessUrHeartStickers as well. I think Billy at Sleepy Creek Plans also has a PR code. So definitely check them out if you are wanting to get some cute stickers. I always love looking at people's new PR freebies every time a shop releases new ones. So highly recommend checking them out when you have the opportunity to. So this is my Catchall planner, and I use my Catchall planner just for, honestly, I don't really use this for too much. I use it mainly for decorative purposes. I'm going to be for real with you guys. I use it for fun, and I also use it to track like important things. So for example, when we have a birthday, or when I have a list of to-dos that need to get done, this is kind of my planner where I will go through and I will look at what I have planned, and then I will determine what I can upload on my YouTube channel, what I can share for the week, what things I have going on in case there is something that needs to be pushed to the side for the next week, things like that. That is what I use this planner for. So I always usually plan in the same exact way as well. I really don't change up my planning style in this planner. I always have my habits, my to-dos, and this box here can be a multitude of things, and I will show you some examples in just a second once I lay these stickers down, because I feel like it's really important for you guys to see my planning style. So we're going to begin in January. As you can see, I don't have a box in January, but I have tons of habits. Here I have an overview for the week, and this was using a Bless Your Heart stickers kit as well. And I have my habits here. I also have a little box overview for the week and my habits. As you can see, it's pretty generic. Sometimes I just have habits, and sometimes I have box and habits. Sometimes I don't. So that's a good generic view. Oh, this was also a Bless Your Heart stickers kit, by the way. And I have videos on my channel of every single spread if you guys are interested in seeing how I set up my planners. But yeah, that is just a little view of what I do in my planners and kind of how I set them up for the week. I need my scissors. This is a 1 string, and when I had my old planner that was an actual Hobonichi Weeks, it was perfect to use. But because this is a dupe planner, I got this planner from, you guessed it, Temu. Get my planners from Temu. Not all of them, just this one. But I got this from Temu, and I'm sorry I kicked the camera. I keep doing that. I'm so sorry, guys. Where's my tweezers at? I literally just had them, did I not? Anywho, I forgot what I was talking about. This planner is from Temu, and I set this up if you guys want to see that setup video. But I like Temu. I do. I know that there's some controversy. Look at that. I cut it crooked. There's some controversy about Temu and like how it's not good, but honestly, if you know that you're getting cheap stuff and you're not getting real stuff, you're getting knockoffs, then you're not surprised when you get your items. Sometimes, however, there's some silliness going on when you order. Sometimes you get something and you're like, what the heck? What is this? This is not even completely close to what you asked for. But, you know, you get that sometimes when you have a crazy company. You know, I love Temu because I get a lot of really cute stickers and a lot of cute things from them. So, I don't know. That's just me. You guys can like them or not. It's up to you. What title? Oh, wait, here, hold on. How about we do this? Priorities, guys. Priorities and to clean. Look at us. To clean. And priorities. Or I could do remember. Let's do that. Let's do remember. That way it's not the same color. However, this can be a thing that we'll use at the top of the week. I'm going to set it here. Oh, Jesus. And then we'll have another box and another box for those 3 checklists there. Now I need to get the deco on here. I'm going to use this one. So with these, what I like to do here is layer. Oh, hold on. Let's layer this one. I like to layer the boxes with the deco because I think it's cute that way. And then let's do this checklist here. Have it like almost on there, and then pop it like this. There you go. And then let's do I'm gonna leave a little bit of space for some boxes. Do that one. And then let's grab this guy. We're gonna do, which box should we use? Let's use the pink one. Put it here. And then we'll grab this guy like that, and this blue one for just random things, you know. Don't really have a plan for those. I just think it'd be fun to add just random little things here and there. Alright, I should probably put another one of these checklist boxes on here. So we'll put that and that. It's a little crooked. Then let's add another set of these decorative boxes. I just kicked the camera again. Are we really surprised? Probably not. I'm gonna put this one here like that. I kick the camera. Megan, I'm gonna move this over so I don't kick the camera. There we go. Hopefully I won't kick the camera again. And then our last little decorative box here. I'm gonna plop it there. And here we're gonna have one more checklist right here. Some of these are my to plan lists, some of these are my weekend to-dos, some of these are just fun. You never know. This guy, we're gonna flip upside down, okay? We're gonna put him here and we're gonna layer it. That way we have two boxes to write things down in. I think I want to do the same thing over here. And let's use this one. Hold on. I'm gonna lift this up a titch. Layer it like that. And that. That is fun. Okay. Then I'm going to take some more of these boxes and just add them around the spread for more fun. Boop. That was too much. There we go. That'll work. Oh, I have to put my payday sticker down. Let's use this guy, because I do get paid this day. Oh, and then we have a day off from work on Friday, which means we can use this sticker for a day off. What else is happening? We have daylight savings time, I think on the 8th, which was last week. Yes. Okay, so we do not have to worry about that. Okay. I want a sticker here. I think I'm gonna use this blue one. That's really fun. I really like all of the layering here that I've got going on. I don't think that there's anything important happening on Tuesday, but I'm gonna stick this sticker here just to get some aestheticness going on. And I think we're gonna scooch this guy up and this guy up. We're gonna keep those, but I'm gonna add another sticker right there. Okay, which sticker should I add? Oh, probably this one? Ugh, no. Put that there. And then we'll do this one here, okay? And then we can put something here. Like, I think in the gray or the blue. Let go of the paper. Why was that sticker just like secured onto the page? I don't understand. I do not understand. There we go. Is this a lot? Yes. Yes, it is. But I really don't care. I'm so savage. What I usually do with these is decorate them along the part here, and I'll show you an example of what I've done in the past. See, I have these big dots. I just dot them around on the page. I don't think I did that on this week, but I did it on this paper here, on this page here. And usually I do that, but I think for this one I'm going to do it around the edge of this week so that it doesn't look so plain, because I'm really feeling like it looks super like boring, you know? There we go. Now it's a little bit less like, I don't know, squished. That's kind of how I feel it looked. So there you have it. That looks really fun for spring. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Catchall Hobonichi Weeks dupe planner using this beautiful kit from BlessUrHeartStickers. If you want to save some money off of your order, don't forget to use my coupon code Megan15. You'll save 15% off of your order and you'll receive this adorable freebie for the winter time. We will have new freebies soon for the spring season, so definitely get this one while you can because it is beautiful and I'm obsessed with these freebies. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, don't forget to check out my Hobonichi Weeks planner playlist. I will leave it linked at the end of this video and in the description box below, along with everything else that I mentioned. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!